Are you ready to see what we're doing today for the my Kiwi crate?
Yeah.
All right, ready? 1, 2.
Mommy,
Let's see, what is it?
it's a buddy.
It's a body.
Alright, so starting out. What does that look like? We're gonna build a stethoscope! We're gonna make our own stethoscope.
This goes like this.
Okay.
This is gonna go like this, Daddy.
Yeah, alright, look. It says grab,
A straw.
find the longest clear tube. So where's the long clear tube? Okay. Now find the funnel. Can you find the funnel? Good job. Alright. Push the narrow end of the funnel into one end of the tube as far as it will go.
Look how far we go, Dad.
Oh my goodness.
Now just gonna put it right here.
Yeah. Alright, next, find the T connector. Can you find the connector that looks like a T? One of these 3 connectors? Find the one that looks like a T. Alright. Now push the center of the T into the long tube.
This one?
Yep.
Now what do I do?
Now find the 2 short tubes and put it on either end of the T.
This one? Both of them?
Yep.
This is awkward, Dad.
Why is this awkward?
Because I don't know how to build a stethoscope.
Well, we're learning.
Yeah. And then we're gonna do body.
Yeah. I think that's
And all the parts of body.
alright. Next. Grab one of the short tubes and the headband. Line up the end of the tube with the end of the headband.
Both of them?
Yep. Line up the end of the tube with the end of the headband. Just like that. Nope, not with the rubber hand. Getting ahead of yourself there, kid.
I still need to learn how to build. Still learn how to build.
There you go. Use that to hold the tube to the headband.
Hey, wait. I thought these were the band-aids.
No. Hold the. Here.
But Daddy,
Kimberly.
it's on one of the things a band-aid. But then I thought these were
Here.
band-aids.
Put it like right back here.
Right there.
There you go. Make it nice and tight.
Yeah. Look, Daddy.
Yeah. Good. There you go. Next one.
I got the next one.
Hold on. Take it up for a second. Alright.
Do we
Go. Make sure it's nice and tight.
want one of these?
No.
There's
One
on.
per side. Yep. Make sure it's nice and tight.
Whew. Looks like these are tight.
Alright, it says make sure both tubes on the inside and that the ends are lined up even. Alright.
Daddy, is there
Grab and-
stethoscope down?
Huh?
Is there stethoscope down?
Not Yeah. All right. Grab one of the L connectors. So grab the connector that looks like an L.
This one?
Press it hard into the tube. Slide a straw piece, so the green straw piece, over the L connector. So grab the green straw piece and put it on the other end of the connector. Alright, now push one of the earbuds onto the L connector.
Wait, I know how to push these in.
Mm-hmm.
I think. I can't do it.
Do it to the other side. You got it. It's on there. Now all these do the L. Oh.
No, I gotta put this through this. Put that in the hole.
Put it in the hole.
Like that.
Good job. Now do the same thing the other side. The L connector, the straw piece, and the earbud.
This. Done.
Done? And now you have a stethoscope. Here, put it on. Put your ears in. Can you hear a heartbeat? Yeah. You gotta come listen to my heartbeat?
Daddy, where's your heart?
Right here. Go listen to mommy's heartbeat.
Where's your heart, Mama?
We're gonna leave this right here for about 5 minutes, okay?
What happens if it blows away?
That's why I'm putting tape on it. It'll be okay. We're gonna leave it here for about 5 minutes, okay?
All right, shall we see what it looks like?
Yeah.
Let's see.
You gotta take it into the bedroom. Alright, come on. Let's take it into the bedroom. Let's go. Go, go, go. Let's take it into the bedroom. Hold that. It looks like an X-ray. You can see the bones, right?
Yeah. And you take Mommy's.
That is so cool.
Your shirt's also glowing, Dad.
Oh, my shirt's also glowing. What?
Let me take the X-ray.
Take the X-ray?
No, yours.
Oh, this is my X-ray. Alright, look at my X-ray.
Has it got any broken bones?
Nope.
Nope.
Actually, yeah.
Yeah,
Oh
what?
my gosh.
Turn the light back on, please, Dad.
So cool.
Yeah.
How was that? Did you like it?
Yeah.
Alright, you can pull your sticker off and put it on.
Okay.
Put it on the next circle.
Look at that face.
Good job.
How was that kiwi crate?
Good! Next time I'm going to do another one and finish this whole thing up.
Yeah.
Awesome.
The other next time.
The other next time. It's okay.
I can say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Bye.